Hey guys, today I'm going to show you one method on how to add detailing to your wall hanging. This is the second of 3 detailing methods. Please see the description for a link to the first method and stay tuned for the third method, which will be released later this week. This detailing can be added anywhere to your piece, so don't be afraid to get creative. Let's get started. I've tied a row of double half hitch knots here to show you how you can add the detailing underneath. Cut a piece of cord that will be used as your filler cord along your work. For my piece, I have cut a cord that is 3 feet long. Attach it to the left side of your work using a double half hitch knot. Attach it to the right side of your work just for now using a double half hitch knot. Cut 2 pieces of cord, each piece is 2 feet long. Attach both to the filler cord using lark's head knots. Tie a double half hitch knot with the 2 middle cords. Using the inside right cord as your filler cord, tie another double half hitch knot working down into the right. Using the same filler cord, tie another double half hitch knot working down into the left. Using the inside left cord as your filler cord, tie another double half hitch knot working down into the left. Using the same filler cord, tie another double half hitch knot working down into the right. Tie one more double half hitch knot with the 2 middle cords. Decide where you'd like to add your small diamond on your work and then tie double half hitch knots before and or after the diamond to set it in place. Trim the ends and brush them out. What is neat about this pattern is that you can add as many sections as you'd like, and you can make the sections as long or as short as you'd like. I'm going to add one more section with 2 diamonds. I'll tie a few more double half hitch knots first before adding the next section. Cut 2 more pieces of cord, each piece is 3 feet long. Add each cord to the filler cord using lark's head knots. Repeat the same process from the first section, but instead of making 1 diamond, make 2. Add a few more double half hitch knots to your filler cord and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, leave a comment, and/or share it. Tutorial requests are always welcome, so drop a comment below if you're interested in a specific knot or pattern tutorial. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook.